Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously I'm doing a voiceover this time. My husband was home, but I really needed a plan, so I figured I would plan and then do a voiceover later. I'm using this kit from Sticky Essentials, and it was the Squad Goals kit. I love the way her mini kits are set up. I feel they're very functional for how I plan. You do get the sidebar stickers, your full boxes, the bottom washi, and some regular washi. I think this was an add-on sheet for the headers, and the Fashion Girls, I believe, came with the kit. They may have been an add-on, and I know for sure the glitter headers were an add-on. So I decided to use this kit because it is a very special week. It is the week of my best friend's birthday. We have actually been friends since we were 12 years old. I know it's over 20 years, so it's a pretty big day. August 1st is her birthday. So here I am. This is how I've kind of transferred to white space planning. I usually start with the box that I'm putting on the top of the column, and then I figure out where the next header would be, so I can kind of line up where the second one would be, the second full box would be, if that makes any sense. And then I will go in and kind of line them up based off of where the guide box is. So here you see I'm putting it in the second row there, and then figuring out where the last glitter header goes so I can put the bottom full box down on the very last row. It's worked out pretty well, and it is a pretty easy way to cover all the lines. The only thing is, on one side for some reason the full box is a little bit long and goes kind of into where the bottom washi is, but that doesn't really bother me. So now I am moving on to the next part of the week and doing the same thing. So again, I'll put my top glitter header down, and then I'll figure out where I want my top full box to be, and then I can figure out where all of the other full boxes need to go. So here I am trying to figure out where I want them in relation to where the weekend banner will be. So I figured out I want my top box on Friday. So now I'll go in and I'll put in all my glitter headers again so I can figure out where my next box will be. Like I said, the Sticky Essentials kit is really perfect. It's also really affordable, which is why I love her mini kits, and she has the best premium matte paper. I really recommend her shop. So here I am again trying to figure out where I am supposed to be putting things. On the right hand side of the planner, the bottom box lines up a little bit better. I'm not sure why that is. I still think there's some kind of cut or print issue in this Erin Condren that causes one side to be higher than the other. I haven't confirmed it. Maybe one day we'll do a scientific video with rulers and all that stuff and figure out why that is. But so I have now all my full boxes down, all my glitter headers down. I'm putting in my top corner flags, and then I think I go in and put in my date covers. Into the bottom washi, and this bottom washi had kind of a cut error where it was cut, it looked like with the silhouette, the little corner had been taken off, and it must have been when she did the cut lines. It just was a random line that got missed. No big deal. I was able to kind of repair it and make it look like it wasn't there. It took a little bit of effort, but I think it turned out all right. And then I decided to go in with some Simply Gilded washi and put that over the top. I really like how this looks. It kind of mutes out the bottom washi, but you can still see the pattern through. So I really do like that effect. So if you ever get a chance, definitely pick up the white washis from Simply Gilded. I have the white bow, or the white with gold bows and white with silver bows, and they both kind of have that same effect when you put it over bottom washi. So I really like how that looks. So here is my base. I'm going in day by day. I start off with my Coffee Monday, and these are from More Avenue. They're her coffee cups. The thing about the More Avenue ones is that it looks like there's gold and silver on that sheet. I'm not sure how that works, but you do get both types of foil on one sheet. Next, I'm going in with a quarter box, and I am putting in my edit and upload stickers. These are from Rose Colored Days, and they're just a nice script font. And then last, you can't see it, but this sheet is actually from Planner Bell Press. I'm not sure if she has these exact ones anymore. These are quite old, but the colors matched, and I needed some TV icons, or TV little things rather. So those came in handy. They matched pretty perfectly, so I was excited about that. I think have like one left on that sheet, so I'm so close to using it up. Next, I'm putting in a conference call that I have on Tuesday, and it is Tuesday morning, so it's going in the top portion of the box. And that's really all I have for Tuesday. I do go in with another Rose Colored Days sheet, and it's the one from the Planner Sophisticate collab, and it's just a little script header that says important, so I put that on top to add some foil. The next, I want to mark down that it is my best friend's birthday, so I put in a half box, and then I take a little heart from a Rose Colored Days sampler, and it has kind of a little foiled heart, which is super cute and fit perfectly with the rest of the foil I had going on, so I could put that in for Wednesday. And that I do have a training class that I'll be hosting that day, so I had to mark that in. I just take a little appointment label rather, and I don't use any icon because I don't really have any icons for like a training day. I might need to get some of those. Next, I do have one more TV show that I need to put in, and it is the first, so rent is obviously due. And now we're moving on to Thursday. I do realign the shot, so you'll see here in a moment, you'll see more of the end of the week. But the first thing that I do need to mark is that it is payday for both my husband and I. So I take this flag that came with the kit and a little dollar sign that is actually from an old Raspberry design foil sheet that she came out with. So I put that in, and then I want to mark down meal planning in the evening. So I take a quarter box and then a sheet from, I believe it is C&L Crafts, and I take that meal planning sticker. I love the script of this, and initially I was going to put it on top, but then I realized I can just put it across the box, and that works perfectly. So going on to Friday, I almost put it in the wrong place. I do usually treat myself to some coffee on Friday because I've made it through the week. I just have one more day left. So I use the same More Avenue coffee cup there. And then I need to mark down that I need to film my plan with me. So I take another sheet from C&L Crafts, and it's the planning time sheet, and so I go ahead and mark that with the half box that came in the kit. And then I need to order my click list, my groceries from my local grocery store. So I take a flag that came with the kit and these stickers from plannerbomb.com. I raved about her in my plancation haul. These stickers are perfect for click list. They are order and pickup stickers. So I go ahead and use the order one on Friday, and then in a little bit you'll see me go in on Saturday and use my pickup one. But first I have to put in the weekend banner. So I flip my planner upside down and do that so it came out nice and straight. I love when I get my weekend banner nice and straight. It's going to be a good week. Next up, I have a nail appointment in the morning. So I have here my sticker book. It's a book you can get off of Amazon, and it's basically like the backing of sticker paper. And so I took all my samplers one day and kind of strategically placed them in this book. So now I can easily go through and find all my, nail polishes or lazy days or payday stickers that come on sampler sheets in one easy place. Here I'm just putting in the pickup sticker from ClickList. Again, that sticker is from plannerbomb.com. Check her shop out. She's amazing. Last is Sunday. Sunday is pretty boring. It's usually my laundry day, so I'm going in here and I'll have to put the shop across here because I can't think of the shop's name. And then the last thing that I'm doing, it's We're likely doing my dad's birthday dinner on Sunday, so I'm putting in a quarter box from the kit, and again using a little heart from that rose-colored day sampler, and then I'm just gonna eventually go in and write dad's birthday dinner. So last thing I have to do is the sidebar. So for the sidebar, I am going to use one of the Fashion Girls. They do take up a little more space than a regular box, but that is okay. Here I'm kind of sorting out what I need for my sidebar. I usually like to do that because I'm, by this time, usually surrounded by stickers. So I take a moment to kind of regroup and figure out what stickers I'm going to use. So here I am using the Fashion Girl. I kind of love her hair, and it makes me miss my short hair and want to get a haircut, but yeah, I thought she was perfect. She kind of resembles me, so I always love it when fashion girls resemble me. And then I'm gonna go in, I was gonna go in with Habit Tracker, but then I thought, let me put in some more glitter headers. So I'm using glitter headers just to kind of break it up, and I'll go in with my Habit Trackers. I use 2 each week. And then after that, I'll put another glitter header, and I will put down the weekly ombre sticker that I use to track my work. I don't write work or use a work label or anything on the sidebar. I know what it's for. It's how I track my hours each and every week. And this, I think, has been the most functional and consistent thing that I do every week, is using that hour tracker. Obviously I'm having some trouble making my sidebar go straight, but here is that sticker. And then I decide to try to use the very last sticker from the full box sheet. So I put in a glitter header, and it doesn't quite fit. It's a little bit too long, so I do decide to go in and kind of cut it down so it will fit. So I cut off a little bit of the top. I probably realistically should have cut off more of the bottom and less of the top, because it was hard to get it straight across, but I do eventually get it straight enough, and I lay that down. And then it was still a little bit too long, so I did have to cut off a little bit from the bottom, but I think it came out okay. It's not, I don't hate it. I just thought it would be a fun way to recognize my friend's birthday, because we are squad goals, obviously. So now here is the spread before the pen. I do have some, I'm trying to go in with the clip art deco. I can't really make it fit. I do get some pieces to fit. In the end, I'm not thrilled with how this came out. It did come out looking a little heavy, but I really wanted to use up as much of this kit as I could, so I lay it on the deco. And then I had these overlays from Gabriella Elena Designs. The first one I kind of goofed up and got it a little too far to the left, but once it's down, you can't move it. So I did add that, and then I decided to add one more to the other side, and I can't figure out which one to add it to. I finally decided on the cups, and that one came out a lot better, so I think practice makes perfect with these. And then I'm going over with the I'm going over the glitter headers with the transparent foiled stickers. And I decided to put them above every full box. I do think that her glitter cover dots were a little too dot-like and not glitter-like, but they did add a nice touch of foil to the spread. So I think, oh yeah, I'm just showing you what's left of the kit. I do have a lot of half boxes and quarter boxes left to use throughout the week and fill in all the blank spots, which always works well for me. And I just went in and filled it all out with my Papermate Flare. So here it is, all filled out. I really do like how it came out. The touches of foil, I think, make the week really special, and I am happy that this is the week of my best friend's birthday. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.